Defer expensive specialty circuits during the initial build to keep your electrical budget manageable without blocking future upgrades. When planning a budget-friendly home construction, prioritize standard branch circuits and allocate space and pathways for specialty loads instead of installing full dedicated circuits now. Pre-run conduit from the main panel to the likely equipment locations and label each run so the electrician can pull conductors later without opening walls. Reserve dedicated space in the main panel and plan a sub-feed or knockout for a future subpanel so you can add breakers later without major rewiring. Install a correctly sized equipment grounding conductor and leave pull strings and conduits to simplify future cable pulls and reduce the chance of code issues. For devices that have safe, portable alternatives, use those temporarily while keeping the permanent wiring plan documented and accessible. Keep all documentation, device specifications, and load calculations with your electrical plans so whoever does the future work can match wire sizes and breaker ratings to the original design. Common mistakes are underestimating load growth, which leads to undersized feeders. Avoid this by calculating expected continuous and peak loads and sizing your conduit and knockout openings for the larger conductors you may later need. A second issue is skipping grounding or using undersized ground conductors, which can create safety and code problems later. Always install a properly sized grounding conductor and bond points when roughing in. Third, homeowners often forget to clearly mark and document the deferred pathways and panel provisions, causing expensive exploratory work down the line. Mark conduits at both ends, include pulled strings, and keep a simple sketch with breaker locations and reserved spaces so future installers can immediately proceed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by making it easy to find local pros and post-project needs related to deferred specialty circuits. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, vendor recommendations, and real-world experiences for planning future electrical upgrades.